The Annexe building of the High Court of Meghalaya was inaugurated by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma in the presence of Chief Justice Sanjeev Banerjee and other officials of the court. Speaking on the occasion, Conrad Sangma informed that the government has spent around 200 crores in the last 5 years for judiciary from the state plan, while assuring that the government would continue to extend all support to the judiciary. On the other hand, Chief Justice Sanjeev Banerjee highlighted various initiatives taken by the court, like the hybrid mode of hearing and live streaming of the hearings to bring more transparency. Law Minister Ampending Law was also present on the occasion.
The kind of passion with which he has worked, the kind of commitment that he has shown to the issues that he has taken up, have today started seeing results. And today, this particular building, or the Annexure building that we are seeing inaugurated, or whether it's the National Law University, he has been a major driving force to ensure that we reach the logical conclusion. The Meghalaya High Court is probably the first High Court in the country, not only to boast of the hybrid and the physical mode of appearance simultaneously, the live streaming of its proceedings in all courts, but to be connected for all.